People are worshipping so many gods in the name of divinity, in the name of religion and everything. Is it true? And some people say there is only one God, two gods or three gods or anything. Which is true and which is wrong? Before answering this question, in the entire existence, first let's try to understand there are two things, One is the creator and another is the creation. Yes, there is one person called creator, whatever name you call it. There is a creator and a creation. So the whole existence is evolving from nothing to something. The something is the creation, the nothing is nobody understands. This is what we call it as God. God is not a creation. He is beyond the creation. There is no such thing as God. I would call it, the more appropriately I can call it as godliness. Okay, in Tamil we call it kadavul thanmai. This is a subtler element, this is a grosser element. So godliness is there, which is invisible. And this invisible, the so-called godliness, creates the visible creation. So that's what it is. The moment the creation happens, the whole exists, the creation is there. This creation has to get evolved, go to every different stages. Creation means it is not only human being. There are 85 lakhs species in the whole world, right from single cell amoeba to different next insects, next animals, birds, trees, plants and everything, the final human being. And there are about 85 lakh species which has been created. The so-called creator has to do the job of creation. Now he doesn't do it directly. What he has got various portfolios. He has got one energy. There is ministers, just like in a country setup, there is prime minister is there. He has got a finance minister, he has got a minister of corporate affairs, he has got a minister of law minister, he has got food minister, health minister, happiness minister, all kinds of portfolios the prime minister is having. Now he is the ultimate leader and he has got many jobs to be done. So he has appointed different ministers under him who executes the specific job. Now here there is only one ultimate power, supreme power, or creator, whatever name you call it. He has got many portfolios. There is one particular energy which is called God, who creates all these beings. Okay, and in that creation process, not only human being, it has to create all the 85 lakh species. So just imagine the kind of energy, the kind of technology has to be used in order to create all these things. So there is one subordinate to the ultimate God does all the job. There is another subordinate energy which has to maintain all these things, which has all these beings has to be fed, for which food has to be created. There are so many 100 things has to be created. So there is one energy, another subordinate to sustain all these beings. There is another third energy in the broad classification. Now all these creation has been created, now it has been sustained, and finally the creation has to be come to an end. And it has to be destroyed. There is another energy which destroys everything and the cycle goes on, and again it has been recreated, and again it sustains, and then again it is getting destroyed. In the process, there are other subordinate gods are also there, the so-called gods or godliness, subordinate. The minister has got so many authorities, just like a prime minister is there. Below that the different ministers are there. Below that there are officers are there. So many departments are there. In the whole existence, there is a beautiful setup. Now all these controlling aspects, they are invisible. You cannot see them. They are all in the subtle form. They are beyond creation. They lie beyond creation, but they are the controlling aspects. So the ultimate God will not come in front of you. Now he controls the whole creation through all these subordinates to different portfolios of what he has created. So if anybody violates the law,
in continuation of the age-old tradition of the wisdom of India, to join the Alchemy program conducted by Guru Mithreshiva, kindly register or call 96559 92559. Visit our website www.matangifoundation.org. Guru Mithreshiva's Alchemy classes are conducted in Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, Salem, Pondicherry, Bengaluru, and London.
Immediately there is another department which is going to file an FIR and they are going to punish you. So he has got all those departments also. So now if you have a problem you are living in a country, now you have a problem with business. Solve the problem for the business. There is a particular ministry which is controlling the revenue department. So you need to approach that particular department, will come to you have to approach them and solve the problem. If you have a problem with your health, now you have a health ministry which has got all the doctors and everything, so you have to go to the doctor and just solve your problem. Similarly, in whole existence also, different portfolios are carried by different people. And if you have a problem with health, there is a divinity, there is a God which is controlling your health aspects, which you can solve all the problem of your physical issues. If you have a finance issue, there is a particular energy which is there in the existence, which is invisible, which can solve all your financial problem. So every energy, every different portfolio is being allotted to a particular energy, and which has been also defined as God. So that's why if you have a finance problem, you go to this particular God and worship that God, all your finance problem will get solved. That's what the people say. If you have a health issue, you go to this temple. If you have that kind of an issue, go to this particular temple. Now all these energies come under one bracket of the ultimate energy. They are all different energies of the same source. So there is only one source which is controlling the whole thing, which has got different portfolios. Just like as we are living in this country, which has got a system, the Prime Minister and all those complete system or constitution or whatever you call it, there is a cosmic constitution which is existing there. And these are all beyond the physical aspect. They are all subtler aspects or different kinds of energies, you may call it different names. This is how the whole existence has been working. So everything is controlled by these portfolios. Even if you worship the ultimate God, the specific department person, depending on your problem, is going to come and rescue and solve your problem. So that's how it's been working. This has been established in the Hindu culture as different gods, but they are all different energies, reporting to one particular, the ultimate divinity. So this is how it is, a whole science by itself, and it has got laws to maintain everything. The moment you understand the law with different departments, your life will reach the fullest potential, and you will have all the richness in the world. You can be the wealthiest person on the planet. You will be the healthiest person on the planet. You will have all the peace, all the happiness, and everything, what not. Everything is available provided you follow the law of existence. And this law of existence is governed by one energy which has got multiple subordinates. That's all. It is a cosmic system. You can call it as a cosmic constitution. I call it as a cosmic constitution. So if you understand the cosmic constitution, there is no ambiguity, no disturbance, and you can still follow whatever religion you are. Plus try to understand each and every religion points to the same ultimate divinity, one source for all these problems to be solved. The moment you understand the law of this particular cosmic constitution, you are free from all the issues. That's all the point. Hope you got understood the concept of divinity. Yes.
In continuation of the age-old tradition of the wisdom of India, to join the Alchemy program conducted by Guru Mithreshiva, kindly register or call 96559 92559. Visit our website www.matangifoundation.org. Guru Mithreshiva's Alchemy classes are conducted in Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, Salem, Pondicherry, Bengaluru, and London.